Hey guys, so today I will be doing a mail time and I got a few gifts. As you see, I said mail time opening on Saturday, which today's Saturday. So send in some gifts and you will get a shout out, that means shout out by the way, and gifts back. So you will see all that in this video. So let's get to getting into the gifts. Okay guys, so I got some gifts and I don't know what any of these are. Sorry about that guys. Okay, so I don't know what any of these gifts are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gifts and I don't even know this one. Just gave me a random gift. Some stuff I've given, received. And guys, please buy some stuff off my wish list. What I really want you guys to buy off my wish list is, what page do I have? Okay, it's on this side anyway. And I'd actually really like you guys to buy me my dream shoes. These are my dream shoes for now. Or this dress or this dress. I know it's quite a lot, but I like anything on my wish list and I'll be happy. Okay, let's get into gift opening. Okay, let's open up this black one from Kit Glass 111. Okay, opened. What did I get? Mascara running. Wow. Let's wear it. Let's look at my face. Ooh, sad. Okay, there's a white gift. Chunky Clunk. Okay, that's nice for the winter. Well, and shout out to cute Grace on one. Oh, missing suspenders. Wow, more shorts. I love shorts. And I will be changing, of course, her at the end of the video, or even after this gift opening. Cotton candy buns. Whoa, my god, that's kind of cute. Guys, I got spring duckies. I have like 5 pairs of them now. I have so many. Oh my god, this is on my wish list. Oh my god, I'm gonna forget something on my wish list. Oh my god, I was looking for that the other day and it wasn't on, so I thought someone bought it. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, Neve Gamer 2. So shout out to Neve Gamer 2. Purple gift. Afro Star. I can't. Guys, is she messing with me? Like, I don't like that. I already have that, I think. Look how ugly it is. I guess after this video I will be giving them their stuff, some gifts back. Let's change myself because I look like a weirdo. Okay. Wait, let me see how many duckies I have. 3 pairs. Okay. That means 2 of my duckies are gone or something. Because I have quite a lot of duckies. Okay. Let's change up myself to my wish list hair. That was actually on my wish list, and yesterday I checked and I couldn't find it on my wish list. And I was like, oh my god, someone must have bought it for me. Yes. So I'm definitely wearing that one. Take off my running mascara. There we go. Accessory. Oh, my back's itching me. Are they nice, guys? I don't know. So guys, I need a bit to actually get some clothes. These are my favorite. My friend got these eyelashes and just didn't work on her face. They were glitching out on her face. Is there anything else? This choker. Oh my god, now. Glitter. Ugh. Okay. Shoes. I have quite a lot of shoes. But I still want more. Don't feel like I have enough. Don't like that though. Wanna take it all. Still and comment down below if you want me to give away one of my duckies. Because I will. If you guys comment. Ew, no. Guys, I have really bad stuff. Guys, I'm just gonna wear number oneers. Okay, now trousers. I want to kind of wear my new shorts. I love shorts. See how many short stuff I have down here? I just love them. Here's the new ones, but that's my favorite one, so I'm gonna wear. Let's see this one. My friend hates that one, but I'm gonna wear this one. It's a lot easier, workable, and a top. This pink one, no. Grayish one, yeah. Just ordinary. Okay, let's change my status. Gifts. Okay, so I said thank you all for the gifts and thank you for my wishy hair. And make sure to say hi, I'm recording. So I said thank you all for the gifts and thank you for my wishy hair, and make sure to say hi, I'm recording. Okay. If you guys can, I whacked my toe. If you guys can see me in this screen thing, yeah. There's like no star coins. But anyway, we're going to go shopping. Actually, I kind of want to go beauty clinic for a second. Because I kind of need to get more stuff from the beauty clinic, even though like everything is so much. I don't get how people like these eyes. Look. What's wrong with the eyelashes? Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take off those eyelashes. Because they're just like not going on very well right now. With in the beauty clinic, they're not working. Oh, I took off the hair. Okay. I'm a bit ordinary. Okay. I don't get how people could like these. Wow. The way they close their eyes. I don't know if I like these enough, but I pretty much don't really. These, I don't know how people like them. These, I definitely don't know how people would buy those. And these. Who has those eyes like? Not judging if you have that type of eye, but all I know is I don't. They're kind of cute. slash cookie. These don't fit your eyes properly. Like, they're so weird. Okay. I'm gonna stop judging and just go on stuff. Is that running mascara? I don't know. Whoa. Can I get a normal eye, please? Thanks. I'm gonna go back. Like, these eyes are kind of pretty and not. Oh, okay. I need to go back into the beauty clinic because from all the eyes I tried on. Oh, I could just press the little arrow. I'm done. I could get this and change the colour, but wouldn't even bother. Like, everything that's VIP sometimes is bad things. Okay, no stuff. I have like any like 100 one. I need like a nice note. Okay, they're not going to give me any good ones, so I'm not wasting that much money on them because I barely have these dark ones. Ah! Okay, what's this? Oh. Now, who the heck would buy that? Well, some people would, but I wouldn't. Skin color. I cheated this one, but it's okay. Okay, I cheated. No, I didn't, guys. I'm messing. Why would I cheat them? Like, I don't know how to. Okay, I don't know. May as well get this, change color. I'm close my eyes, guys. Do this one. What's this? Ew. Okay, let's get a nice one. Not a bit of white. Now. Blow. No. I'm not trying to go for a silly look. I don't want yellow. Kind of golden-y colour. But I don't like that one. It's kind of ugly. And I don't want a dark pink. Like, I'm trying to look for light pink. That. We definitely need to change up this black. Yeah. Is that pretty, guys? Spend 200 on it anyway. I mean 100. So. Pretty face. Okay. Let's go get like some shoes or something. That's only cheap. I don't like getting the deer things. Who would? My friend has 11,000 and something and she won't even waste 1,000. She's not even buying them on her wish list. That's only 400. And she's 11,000 something. I don't get it. Yeah, I'm looking for a pair of shoes. They're not nice now. Oh, okay, let's look for an accessory. I barely have any good ones. Okay, guys. I will make another video. Wait. Nope. Back in a minute when I find something, guys. Okay, guys, so I picked out a top. So let's pack it. Change colours. I'll be back when I have the colours done. Okay, guys, I bought it. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like. And love you all. Bye.